Hello, Mr. Geislard here, and we're going to look at number 5 on homework 7 for chapter 11, which is on the slope of tangent lines. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill out my limit. So because I'm looking at the point where x is equal to -6, I want x to approach -6. Then on bottom, that makes this x plus 6 because you are really doing x minus a -6, so that's x plus 6. On top, you're going to have x squared minus 1, and then you're going to have minus, I'm going to put in for a, -6, so f of -6. So when I do that, I'm going to have -6 squared and then minus 1. So now I need to simplify that. So I'm going to do the limit as x approaches -6 of x squared minus 1 minus, and then a -6 squared minus 1 over x plus 6. So that's the limit as x approaches -6 of x squared minus 1 minus. Now, -6 squared is 36, minus 1 is going to be 35, so that's going to be minus 35. Now, -1 over x plus 6. So when I simplify that more, the limit as x approaches -6, -1 and -35 is going to be x squared minus 36 over x plus 6. Now, I'll notice that the top of this will factor because that's a difference of squares. So that factors into x plus 6 and x minus 6 over x plus 6. Now, you'll notice that if I were to go back to the original problem, if I were to just try sticking -6 in there for x, I would get 0. But now the x plus 6 cancels with x plus 6, and I'm left with the limit as x approaches -6 of just x minus 6. Now I can put that -6 back in there, and I'm going to get -6 minus 6, which is equal to -12, and that will be my answer.